Oh my God, English for free? Yes, absolutely free. अब आप लोगों को मैं इंग्लिश सिखाऊंगा बिल्कुल एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. I'm Ansār Idrīsi. I'm India's leading English growth hacker. I have cracked the IELTS exam twice with 8.5 bands. बहुत सारे लोगों का कहना है कि हमें इंग्लिश सीखना है, पर उनके पास कुछ मजबूरी है, कुछ पैसे की तंगी है, कुछ फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वगैरह वगैरह. अब मैं आप लोगों को इंग्लिश सिखाऊंगा फ्रॉम बेसिक ABCD फॉर एब्सोल्युटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. Means you don't have to pay even a single penny to me, but you are going to learn plenty of things from my side. अगर आप लोगों को इंग्लिश सीखना है वो भी एब्सोल्युटली फ्री, तो आप लोग डिस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर दी गई लिंक पर जाकर क्लिक कर सकते हैं. वहां से आप लोग हमारा एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करेंगे. एप्लीकेशन के अंदर मैंने आप लोगों के लिए फ्री कोर्सेज रखा हूं जो कि इंग्लिश ABCD से लेकर तो आपको बहुत सारी चीजें सिखाएंगी. टेंसेस, ग्रामर, वोकैबुलरी, pronunciation, accent and many other things also. And we are going to give you the great tricks and hacks of speaking English. So चलते हैं अब हम हमारे ऐप की तरफ.
So now guys, you can see the screen of your mobile here. You have to go to Play Store to download our app, and you have to type here Cambridge Tutorials, and you will find there our app on the third number or maybe first or second number. As you can see over here, this is the symbol. So you're going to install our app. While it's get installed, you have to wait here. So it will be getting downloaded and it will be installed automatically. And one more thing is that you have to rate our app to serve you in a better way, and you can put there some handsome comments as well, so which will motivate us and which will encourage us to make some good videos to provide you for the free course as well. So as you can see here, the application is getting installed over here, so you have to wait till that. Apart from this one, you can go for these other things as well, like just wait a minute. So now after getting installed, you are going to open the application. Now I'm opening the application. Here you go with Cambridge Tutorials. Now you have to sign up here with your mobile number. I'm entering my mobile number over here. It will send you an OTP and you have to put that OTP over here like this, and you have to verify it. Click verify and you will get it here. And so here the application, the front page is there in front of you. So now you can see there in the taskbar below, you will find there some other options like home, batches, store, chats, profile, etc. So you have to go to store and you will find there all the free courses are there, which are mentioned by 1 rupee, but you don't have to pay even a single rupee over there, and you can go inside the application and the course, and you will find there below they have given the content which is absolutely free. So you're going to play the video and enjoy them, and you can share these application videos and application with your friends, acquaintances, relatives and many other people as well. So I hope that you're going to understand it well, and here all the courses are there, and I'm going to upload some more courses too here for you, which are absolutely free. And if you'll join our class, you will find there the batches over here, and this is what home, so you can just approach to the courses which are absolutely free from here as well, from the home button. So this is it for this one. Now one more thing I have to request to all of you, that if you go to Play Store, you will find there our application. So you have to rate our application over here. Like for example, I'm going to rate it once again. As you can see here, you have to rate our application according to your, and I believe that you're going to give some handsome comments too, which will improve our application and will make our application better way to serve you. So just put there some good comments over here, so it will help us and it will motivate us to serve you in a better way. And just post it like this, so it will give you the review over there on Play Store. Thank you so much for watching this one, and I hope that you're going to install it sooner and you're going to enjoy our free courses. Thank you.
So, जैसा कि अभी आप लोगों ने देखा एप्लीकेशन के अंदर कि आप लोगों को एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड कैसे करना है, उसके अंदर आपको वीडियो कोर्स देखना कैसे है, सीखना कैसे है, प्रैक्टिस कैसे करना है वगैरह वगैरह. So please keep on subscribing our channel and sharing with your friends as well. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment box, and if you want some more videos, some interesting courses also we are going to come up with, so please comment in the comment box, and I'm going to make videos for you for learning absolutely free. Thank you.